My video tutorial will provide you with help to remove fake Windows support alerts that come from the site Euronews.wiki. It's a fake alert. It is not related to Windows or Microsoft. The real purpose of these pop-ups is to trick users into basically downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted software. The pop-up may tell you to contact support, and it also may switch your browser into the full screen mode eventually. If you see all these pop-ups, you need to disregard whatever they tell you. I recommend that you additionally research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You will need to use your task manager to end the process of your troubled browser. So find your Google Chrome and end its task. Then after you restart your browser, I recommend you to scan your computer additionally with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. So go to this page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install the software, and start carefully examining your system with its help to detect and eliminate all other threats which could still remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus for the first time, the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.